Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us for MasseyHacks JumpStart. We're so excited to invite you to join us in this amazing 5-week adventure in learning computer science and STEM related topics.
Before we get started, we'd like to give a huge thanks to our generous sponsors for making this event possible. Thank you to our gold tier sponsors, Autora NFT and Connect in Windsor, Essex. Our silver tier sponsor, WeTech Alliance, and our bronze tier sponsors, WFCU, Echo AR, Sticker Mule, Taskade, 1Password, Art of Problem Solving, the University of Windsor School of Computer Science, Gen.xyz, Interview Cake, IEEE Windsor Section, and VoiceFlow. We're also super happy to present our partners Hack the North and Major League Hacking.
For MasseyHacks JumpStart, each week will consist of the following. On Saturday from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., an opening ceremony will take place where we will announce the winners of the previous week's challenge. Workshops and activities will follow the opening ceremony. On Saturday at 5 p.m., the weekly challenge will be revealed. After the challenge is revealed, participants will have all week to work on their submission for the challenge. You will have to submit all your work by 11:59 on the following Friday. Times are listed in Eastern Daylight Time. For workshop schedules will be posted in announcements every week. We'll be using Zoom and or YouTube live broadcast. Links will be sent on Discord a few minutes before each workshop is scheduled to begin. All participants are encouraged to attend as many workshops as possible to get the most out of the event. In terms of activities will take place in between workshops. These include mini games and guided practices. Many activities are competition based, and you can earn points by participating and winning. For challenges, each week a challenge related to the week's topic will be issued. Participants will generally be given until the following Friday to submit. Submissions can be made by creating a ticket on Discord in the JumpStart Submit channel and sending a zip file of your project. If your file is too large, you can also upload your files to Google Drive and send the share link. Points will be awarded to challenge winners as follows. First place will receive 100 points plus the first place prize. Second place will receive 80 points plus the second place prize, and the third place winner will receive 60 points. All participants who submit a project will be awarded 10 points. All winners will also receive the 10 points on top of their prize. All challenges are individual based unless otherwise specified. On to one of the most important aspects of JumpStart, the point system. The winners of JumpStart will be determined by points. The top 3 participants with the highest amount of points by the end of the 5 weeks will earn the ultimate JumpStart prizes. You'll also be able to redeem your points for power-ups, additional swag, and other perks. Points can be earned by participating in workshops, winning activities, earning awards, and more. The MasseyHacks bot provides a lot of information regarding points. Here are some of the commands you can use. /code allows you to enter point codes from things like workshops, activities, and other secret codes that we will be posting from time to time. Keep an eye out when codes are posted, as you'll want to be quick. Some codes are time sensitive and or have a maximum number of uses. /leaderboard shows the point leaderboard, i.e. top 10 users, along with statistics on the points being circulated. /points show all the points you have accumulated so far. /shop show all the items available in the shop. And lastly, /transactions show all the transactions you've done using your points. Points have no cash value and are non-transferable. And on to a serious point, the rules. Here at MasseyHacks, we'd like to create a safe and welcoming environment to all hackers and participants, so please listen carefully as we list the rules. Please comply with the directives issued by any and all MasseyHacks VIII organizers. Harassment of any kind is completely intolerable. Discrimination and disrespect against people of specific races, schools, sexual orientations, beliefs, or political views will result in disqualification and dismissal from the event. Essentially, just don't be a jerk. Please ensure that you abide by the MLH Code of Conduct at all times. The Code of Conduct is always available on the Discord server in the Important Links channel, as well as on our website at masseyhacks.ca. And on to challenge submission rules. All work submitted to MasseyHacks and MasseyHacks JumpStart and associated events must be your original work. All projects must have been started no earlier than the start of the week's challenge unless otherwise specified, and no cross-submitting is permitted. The verdicts of all judges regarding prizes and awards are final.
If you need any help during the event, use the ticket system under the support category on Discord. Please do not ping or privately message an organizer directly, as it is extremely hard to keep track of requests that way. Here are some important links for you to access during the event. The main platform that we'll be using throughout the entire event is Discord. This is where we make announcements and host activities. It's also where you'll be able to communicate with other participants, coordinate with mentors, and get support. If you haven't already, please join the Discord at join.MasseyHacks.ca. We also have a YouTube channel where we'll be live streaming workshops and posting workshop recordings for you to refer to if needed. Check out our channel at watch.MasseyHacks.ca. And now onto our first week of JumpStart, the Learnathon. Here's our outline for today. From 1 to 1:30 p.m., we have our opening ceremonies, which you are currently attending. From 1:30 to 2:30 p.m., we have our Python 1 and Algorithms 1 workshops. Then, from 2:30 to 3 p.m., you'll have a little activity to complete as well as a break between workshops. From 3 to 4 p.m., we now have our Python 2 and Algorithms 2 workshops. From 4 to 4:30 p.m., you'll have some more practice to do as well as a little break. From 4:30 to 5, we have our Python 3 and Algorithms 3 workshops. The Learnathon Challenge will be released tonight. The deadline to submit is on Friday, April 15th at 11:59 p.m. Keep in mind that even if you don't completely finish in time, you'll still receive points for submitting. As for prizes, our first place prize this week is an Anchor Soundcore Bluetooth speaker, and our second place prize is a bundle of Muji stationery products.
And that concludes the JumpStart opening ceremonies. We're excited to see what you create. As always, if you need help at any time, please reach out to us and we'd be more than happy to support you. The Learnathon workshops will be starting in a few minutes. We'll see you there.